Create multiple designs with multiple products in seconds. Click the bulk mockup generator button to get started. You can use our filter to search and choose products by using product keywords, categories, number of template parts, and template size. Check off the products you want to design and they will appear in the right sidebar while being easy to delete. Products can be checked off across pages. Once selected, click the bulk design button to proceed to the next step and select design images. You can filter Cool images according to the category to find images you want to use. You can choose the image format as well. Click the image to select it. Besides, you can click the Upload Image button to upload your own images. Finally, click the Next button and wait for the design result. If there is a red wearing icon in your design, it means that the image pixel is too small to customize this product template. For better print result, we suggest you use higher pixel images to redesign those products. Click the Redesign button to adjust the design. If you are not satisfied with the design result, you can also redesign them to meet your needs. You can sort your final designs by product category or by image. If you click Sort by Image, you are able to bulk edit the product's name by adding prefix or suffix to help you distinguish your designs. Click Save Product after Confirm. These designs will be collected in My Designs. You are able to publish them to your store from there.